Hi everyone, welcome to another video, Algebra 1 Common Core Exam Prep. Today I have two past exam questions on inequality. Question 1. Lynn, Jude, and Annie were given the function fx is equal to negative 2x squared plus 32, and they were asked to find f3. Lynn's answer was 14, Jude's answer was 4, and Annie's answer was plus or minus 4. Who is correct? Okay, so if you notice, we already underlined the important information that you need to solve the problem. In original problem, we need to find F3. Lynn's answer 14, Jude's 4, and Annie's plus or minus 4. So we need to find F3 is equal to negative 3 squared plus 32. F3 negative negative 2 times 9 plus 32, negative 18 plus 32, and F3 is equal to 14. The final answer. So we have Lynn 14, Jude 4, and Annie plus or minus 4. So both Lynn and Jude know. So we know choice 1, option 1 is the correct choice. Example 2. What is the solution to the inequality 2 plus 49x is greater than 4 is greater than or equal to 4 plus x? And here we have the original problem. So first what we're going to do, we're going to collect like terms. So let's start by removing this 2 from this side. So we're going to minus 2 from both sides. So it is 2 minus 2 plus 4 9x is greater than or equal to 4 plus x minus 2. And this cancels out. So we have 4 9x is greater than or equal to 2 plus x. So now let's get rid of this x from this side. So we're going to minus x from both sides. So 4 9x minus x is greater than or equal to 2 plus x minus x. And this will cancel. Now we're left with 2 greater than or equal to, we're left with 2 on that side. And on this side, 49x minus x is equal to 59x. Negative 59x negative. Okay, so let's continue over here. It's negative 5 9x is greater than or equal to 2. So we need to get rid of that negative 5 9. So what we're going to do, we're going to divide both sides by negative 5 9. Divide by negative 5 9. Divide by negative 5 9. And so this cancels out. So on this side, we're left with x. So this cancels, and we're left with x. We're left with x. So let's work with this side right here. So 2 divided by negative 5 9 is equal to, let's put this over here, is equal to 2 over 1 times negative 9 over 5. This is the same as this. This right here is equal to that. Let's continue to simplify. So it's negative 18 over 5. So I will bring this right here. So x is, and this side is equal to negative 18 over 5. And remember, when we are solving an inequality, if we divide or multiply both sides by a negative, then we have to flip the inequality sign. In this case, we divided both sides by negative 5 9. So we're going to flip this sign so it will become less than or equal to. So our final answer, negative x is less than or equal to negative 18 over 5. And these are our choices. And choice 1, option 1 is the correct choice. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. I hope these 2 examples will help you to prepare for your test. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.